Ciao, my name is Ben and I'm one of the two creators of Chapter 6. And today we're looking at the rule of thirds and how we use it in our photography. The rule of thirds is a type of composition in which an image is divided evenly into thirds, both horizontally and vertically, and the subject of the image is placed at the intersection of those dividing lines, or along one of the lines itself. I myself use this technique quite often in my photography. It is one of the more popular ways of visualizing the composition. This is from my recent trip to Switzerland last May, and as you can see here, the subject is placed right at the intersection of the lines, making it balanced and aesthetically pleasing. And here I've kept the subject, the Rolex sign, along the bottom line, again keeping it balanced. You can also use the rule of thirds for placing the subject in the middle of your composition. This is using the equal proportions and the sections of your grid to help you frame your picture better. Like this picture taken by Andrew of the view of Lake Como from a castle peephole. In this one, the focus is purely in the middle. You can also use the grid to evenly space out two subjects by placing them on both parallel lines. For example, this photo of Andrew in Lugano, having him as the first subject and the bell tower as the second. However, once you understand the rule and know how to use it properly, you can try and break it and achieve different artistic directions. Such as here, where the man is placed lower than the line. The picture still feels balanced due to the darker color weighing more by being at the bottom of the frame. Rules are meant to be respected, but also meant to be broken. But be careful and do it with intent. I hope you've learned something, or maybe refreshed your mind with something you already knew. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, the Chapter 6, or my personal page, Ben Lusci, or even on Andrew's page, Andrew Molchan. Thank you for watching and see you next week.